Hello, currently I am located at Theme Park View Society, which is in the Lahore city of the Punjab, Pakistan. On the 27th August, we received a water bomb from the India side, and our first ground floor is under the water. You can see one floor is under the water. We was received this water on 27th August, and today it's 6 September, and water is still here. People are losing their homes, their buildings, everything. There is nothing behind, but there is no work done by our higher departments, or you can say the government. It's still waiting to down the water level, and then maybe it will start the work. But right now there is no work from the last 11 days. So it's the current situation what we are facing. I hope our community will help these peoples to bring back the life, to restart the life, to restart the construction, everything what we have lost in the water. There is no food, there is no clothes, everything is under the water. Thanks for watching.